Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are getting really festive with a Christmas decorate with me and clean with me today. So I hope this video makes you feel inspired and maybe gives you some Christmas decoration ideas. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you do enjoy it, so I know to make more in the future. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Here I'm just giving you an overview of our living room, which was, as you can see, covered with toys as usual. And I'm going to start by tidying up all of these toys. My toddler is here to help me. He didn't have nursery today, he was just at home with us. So he's just going to help me tidy up a bit. We usually do the tidy up of toys at the end of the day because obviously he's just going to get them out anyway. But today I just wanted to hoover and obviously decorate, so I needed to tidy up his toys first. Also guys, any other parents out there actually hate Play-Doh? Like, I love the activities that you can do with it, and my son really loves them too, but it's just such a pain once it starts to kind of dry up a bit. It just gets crumbles, all of it, all over the place. There's lots of Play-Doh crumbles on the table here, on the coffee table, and also on the floor. So I'm just going to tidy that up and give it a wipe on the coffee table and also a hoover on the floor a bit later on. Yes, I'm just going to go around and pick up all of the toys, and then I'm going to fold up the throws, fluff up the cushions, and just give it a quick spruce before I get all of the Christmassy decks out. I'm always so excited to have a cozy movie night in after I decorate for Christmas. Let me know what your favorite Christmas movie is so I can give it a watch this year in case I haven't watched it yet. My favorite one is definitely a very old classic, the Love Actually one. I just really love it. It makes me feel so nice and cozy, and it's just such a heartwarming movie, isn't it? Like with the airport scene, I just really love that movie. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Now that my living room is looking much more decent, I'm going to take the Christmas decks out. This is pretty much everything that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to start with the TV unit. I'm giving it a quick spray. I'm using the Method multi-surface spray, and I'm just going to make sure it's dust-free, and then I'm going to put a garland in. This one I got from Tesco this year. They actually have lots of lovely decorations in Tesco at the moment. I'm really loving them, and I got quite a few this year. So I'm going to put this on the TV unit, and I'm going to start fluffing it up. I always feel like with the fake, like artificial garlands and trees and things like that, if you spend the time to really fluff them up nicely, they actually look really lovely and like almost natural, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to make sure it's all nice and properly fluffed here.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love.
And then I'm going to go ahead and put some lights in. I got these lights from Tesco as well. They're just twinkly lights. These are warm white lights. Let me know if you guys get warm lights or just the white lights, but we got warm for most, I think most of the lights that we have in the home. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these around the garland here. We actually have a LED light behind the TV unit that we installed. It's from IKEA, but I just wanted to have these fairy lights as well. So I'm going to pop 2 of these little Christmas trees. These are really cute. These are from Tesco as well. And then I've got a wooden scene type of thingy, and it lights up. So this one is from Poundland, and I'm going to put this on the side of the TV as well. And then I also got a star tea light holder. This one is also from Poundland, so I'm going to put this on the other side of the TV and just kind of prop some little reindeer and some cones around here, so just kind of filling up the space a bit more. Also, how cozy is my TV fireplace? I know it's not the real one, but it actually makes the room feel so cozy. It's the fireplace, like the classic fireplace thingy on Netflix. You can find it there. I really love having this in the background sometimes. Makes it feel so much more Christmassy, doesn't it? For the coffee table display, I have this little basket from IKEA. It's actually a napkin holder, but I just use it for decor or for kind of storage organization purposes. So I have this vase from Homebase that I got recently, and then this fake eucalyptus leaf. This is from Tesco, and I also got a Yankee candle, like a Christmassy one, also from Tesco. And then I have some little Christmas trees. I believe these are either Poundland or Wilko. I can't remember exactly, but I think both places have these little Christmas trees. And then these red berry thingies are from Wilko. So I'm going to fill this up and just kind of make it look nice and Christmassy as well. And then I'm going to go around with my Dyson just to kind of give it a quick hoover, because all of these decorations, they all have glitter or just little things that kind of fall from them. So I'm going to make sure the floor is clean again. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Next, we are tackling this corner of the living room, which pretty much holds my toddler's toys in these white baskets. We have the baskets from IKEA and also this unit. It's called the Calyx unit with a K. So I'm going to just kind of tidy up his toys. We have these little peg wooden doll thingies that are Christmassy. It's got like Mrs. Claus and Santa, and it's a set from Play Learn Pegs .com, I think. I'm going to leave the link down below. It's a friend of mine who makes wooden toys for children, not just Christmassy ones, just like all year round. But yeah, I'm going to leave her store down below. We really love these ones. I got these for Victor this year. I'm going to give the surface a quick spray, and then I'm going to start getting some decks out here too. So I've got this Noel sign. This is from Tesco, really cute one. I believe this little holder, it's either a candle holder or you can put fairy lights in it like I did here, and that one was from, I think, Poundland last year. And then those two white little houses and the gong are all from Wilko.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
And then in the kitchen, this is the dining area. I'm going to use one of those IKEA napkin holder baskets. And then this vase is also from IKEA, I believe. And then I've got a tea light holder, or like this bottle has got fairy lights inside. And then these golden leaves are so pretty. I actually used them for Christmas props, like for pictures, but I'm going to use them for display as well. And these are all from Wilko.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
And then in the windowsill, I'm going to put a Christmas flower, a poinsettia. Am I saying that right? Probably not. But I'm just going to put this in the window because I feel like it looks really lovely, and I've read that it needs quite a lot of light. And I'm also going to put fairy lights in the window at some point, but not today. And then on the other side of the windowsill, I'm going to put this vase with, it's also got eucalyptus flower, which I got from IKEA a long time ago, but I believe they still have it. And then I've got these berry flowers. I believe these were from Wilko last year, I think. And just some pine cones, and just kind of make it more festive than it was before. And I'm going to put this in the windowsill as well.
Christmas memories, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
And then we've got here the world's smallest banister, probably, but I'm going to put some garland around it. I got a small garland. This one was from Primark last year. Obviously you can find garlands everywhere, I believe, in these shops, but yeah, I'm going to put this around, and I'm going to put some fairy lights around it as well. And it's, you know, it's quite small, but I think it looks really lovely, and it kind of brightens up the space here as well.
Marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby, this year.
And then I just wanted to show you in Victor's room, he chose a little Christmas tree from Tesco, and he chose all the baubles to decorate himself. He chose all colorful ones, obviously, but he really loved it, and it was such a lovely activity for him to do. He's really, really proud of it. So that's as far as his room goes. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because I've got lots of Christmassy videos coming up very soon. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Making our Christmas